Well guys, this is another location that I really love to visit. This place is in Virginia Key at the bridge that heads to Key Biscayne. This is one of the places where you can see really nice big yachts, as in haulover it's impossible because of the clearance of the bridge. So this is a place that I used to come a lot and film, and I wanted to show you so that if you think I should continue bringing you more content from this place, please leave a comment below and let me know. You all know that I've been starting to post more from Miami Beach. That's something that is going to happen on February 15 to the 19th. There's an exclusive, and it's going to be that the Discovery boat show is going to be there, and I'm going to film prior to the show, at the show, and at the end of the show. So at the channel we're gonna have awesome content. So take a look at this video and let me know if you like this location, and I could go back and film more from there. So thanks for watching, and stay to the end because there's an exclusive clip that I've never shown before, and I think you're gonna like it. It's a huge leopard yacht that I caught by my house, and actually that was a drone capture, and sadly that drone doesn't exist anymore. It sank to the water, but I have another one. Alright, so like I said, remember always to leave a comment below, and this is what I want to bring you this year, so more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Well guys, I hope you like this video from Key Biscayne. It's an awesome place to visit, and I would love to go back. So please let me know if this is a location that you want to see more. Also, I want to thank all the subscribers and all the people that are supporting the channel. There's something going on with the account, and YouTube is not promoting it, but I don't care. If we are only a few hundred that like it, then I will keep posting. So if you're one of those 100, please always leave a comment below and a thumbs up. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care.